Redoing the gas flex for a 90 to 90 gas furnace. We have to add a drip leg to catch any debris in the gas line. Throw a 1/2-inch cap on the end. On the yellow gas flex, there is a male piece on one side and a female piece on the other. Make sure not to tighten too hard. They are not hard to break. Now it's ready to be connected to the furnace. The gas flex is too short, no problem. Add a 1/2-inch coupler. Too much pipe dope, I know. And just like that, all ready for the furnace.